that will inevitably accompany climate chaos. Will they be able to tackle new physics challenges at that time? No. That's precisely why they must start searching for solutions right now, as early as possible. Otherwise, it will be too late. Furthermore, I would like to emphasize that the task ahead of them is comparable in its complexity to those on which humanity spent 100 to 200 years before any scientific breakthroughs were achieved. And now, a similar breakthrough needs to be made in 1 to 2 years. Yes, today, we have the artificial intelligence in the service of humanity, capable of analyzing and comparing vast amounts of data. But what if the data required to study it is not in the database yet? What if the modern AI is not trained for the approach that needs to be applied? Thus, we are faced with a challenge that relies more on the experience and intelligence of people. More specifically, the scientists who are currently scattered and working in different laboratories around the world, and who need to come together and start working together as soon as possible. Our chance to save the lives of our children and all of humanity depends on this.
Yes, and we understand that upon hearing this information, you naturally have some questions that might arise, such as how can we ensure such a reorganization of science as it requires some restructuring of the global community as a whole? And there are questions of coordination and economic nature, and we understand all of this. That's precisely why we want to tell you about two plans now, Plan A and Plan B. Both of these plans aim to ensure that the world's best scientists can find a way to prevent the destruction of humanity and our planet.